Guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia, out here in Southold, Long Island. I'm at Country Car Wash, just driving by. Just want to show you some awesome classic cars they have here, guys. So it's an awesome car wash here. They got an old Lincoln Mark III, 1969 Lincoln Mark III. Pretty cool car out here. Nice Continental. So it looks like the one I had. Well, it's really cool. Got a like nostalgic car wash here, which is pretty cool. But check out this bus. Got an old bus in here. 64 VW bus dropped. It's pretty awesome, guys. The thing is bad to the bone. Pretty awesome bus, guys. So follow me on Instagram, like and share my videos. Got an awesome bus here, but check this out too. There's an old scooter. I think it's pretty cool. And in the back, they got a wild pig back there. Hope you can see the pig. Check out the pig they got back there. So a car wash of classic cars and a pig. But they got some awesome car wash here. With some real vintage cool stuff. Got some old barrels and everything. It's really awesome. So Country Car Wash on Jericho Turnpike in Southold. Got some awesome stuff here, guys. So you can like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Always finding classic car stuff. This is really cool here. Look at the waiting chair. A little Chevy grill with a bumper and a tailgate. Some VW fenders over here. Some rims. Looks like some Chevy C10 rims. There it is, guys. Awesome car wash with a classic bug in there, guys. Check that out. Again, Jerry Metalman Battaglia, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.